Did you know that the average traveler spends nearly $2,000 more per year than they should? Just because of poor planning, bad timing, and missed hacks. Imagine cutting that cost in half while making every trip smoother and more enjoyable. Join me as I test out 21 game-changing travel hacks that could completely change the way you travel in 2025. Travel isn't just about visiting places. It's about experiencing the world. But let's be honest, trips can be stressful, overwhelming, and expensive. That's where travel hacks come in. With the right mix of budget travel strategies, packing tips, and travel essentials, you can turn chaos into calm and wasted money into unforgettable experiences. Here's the truth. Travelers today face bigger challenges than ever. Flights feel overpriced, airports are busier, and luggage restrictions are tighter. On top of that, hidden fees and tourist traps drain your wallet. And let's not forget time. Between long security lines, jet lag, and confusing public transport, most travelers waste hours that could have been spent exploring. But here's the good news. Small changes in how you book, pack, and move can save you hundreds of dollars and hours of stress, and that's exactly what these hacks are designed to do. 1. Book flights in invisible mode. Airline websites track your searches, causing price hikes. Using incognito browsing, or better yet a VPN, hides your activity, keeping prices lower. 2. Fly on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. Studies show midweek flights are often 30 to 40% cheaper. Bonus tip, flying at awkward hours, like 5 a.m. or after midnight, can also slash costs. 3. Use flight alert apps. Apps like Hopper, Skyscanner, and Google Flights let you set alerts, so you'll know the moment prices drop. Hack. Book at least 6 to 8 weeks in advance for international trips. 4. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space but also reduces wrinkles. Combine this with packing cubes and you'll feel like a packing master. 5. Packing cubes lifesavers. Imagine grabbing a single cube marked Day 1 without digging through your whole bag. They also compress clothing, giving you up to 30% more space. 6. Portable door lock. This $15 gadget adds an extra layer of safety in hotels, Airbnbs, and hostels. Peace of mind while you sleep is priceless. 7. Download offline maps. Google Maps lets you save entire cities offline. Perfect for avoiding expensive roaming charges or getting lost when signal drops. 8. Local SIM or eSIM. International roaming can cost $10 to $15 per day. A local SIM or modern eSIM service like Reusable can give you unlimited data for a fraction of the price. 9. Reusable water bottle with filter. Not only eco-friendly, but also money-saving. You'll avoid buying plastic bottles and stay safe in countries where tap water isn't reliable. 10. Use ATMs instead of exchange booths. Skip those flashy kiosks with sky-high fees. Local ATMs often offer the best exchange rates. Just be sure to use a travel card with no foreign transaction fees. 11. Digital backup of documents. Email yourself copies of your passport, visa, insurance, and bookings. If your bag gets lost, you'll thank yourself later. Cloud storage like Google Drive works too. 12. Night transport. Overnight buses and trains equals free hotel night. In Europe or Asia, sleeper trains give you a bed while moving you across countries. Efficient and budget-friendly. 13. Shop at markets. Cook at least one meal. Food is one of the biggest costs when traveling. Local supermarkets or markets give you fresh ingredients at half the cost of restaurants. Plus, it's an authentic experience. 14. Wear your heaviest clothes on flights. Jackets, boots, and bulky sweaters, wear them on board. Airlines won't weigh your outfit, freeing up precious luggage space. 15. Multi-port USB charger. One gadget, multiple devices. Especially useful in airports, hostels, or hotels with limited outlets. Add an international adapter and you're covered worldwide. 16. Free walking tours. Almost every big city has these. Guides work for tips, meaning you pay what you feel it's worth. Great way to learn history, meet people, and explore on a budget. 17. Use travel reward credit cards. If you're not earning miles or cash back on your spending, you're leaving free travel on the table. Some cards even include free insurance and lounge access. 18. Mini first aid kit. Headaches, cuts, stomach issues. Having meds on hand saves stress and expensive pharmacy runs abroad. Keep it small, but stocked. 19. Free museum days. The Louvre in Paris, the Prado in Madrid, and countless other museums have free entry days. Quick search before your trip can save you $20, $30 per ticket. 20. Learn 5 key phrases in the local language. Hello, thank you, where's the bathroom, how much, and help can turn awkward encounters into warm ones. Locals appreciate the effort. 21. The ultimate essential, scarf or sarong. It's a blanket on planes, a cover-up in temples, a beach towel, or even makeshift pillow. This single item might be the most versatile travel hack of all. Out of all these hacks, the night transport trick is the real game changer. Imagine boarding a sleeper train in Bangkok at night and waking up in Chiang Mai with no hotel bill. That's 2 wins, saving money and saving time. This one hack alone has stretched my travel budget by weeks. So there you have it, 21 travel hacks for 2025. From cutting flight costs and packing like a pro, to staying safe and stretching your budget, these hacks can transform your adventures. Travel doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. It just takes a smarter approach. Now it's your turn. Which hack are you most excited to try? Drop your favorite in the comments, share your own tips, and let's build the ultimate community of smart travelers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video for more budget travel tips, travel guides, and inspiration.